On the last episodes of my 30-day challenge, I focused on bettering myself every single day and pushing past my limits by drinking 1 gallon of water, exercising 30 to 60 minutes, eating clean meals, and making my bed. I also did additional challenges like meditating, going to a farmer's market, cleaning out my closet, doing affirmations, trying a new skincare routine, learning a new skill, and so much more. Look at me, y'all. I have all my meal prep for the whole week. I still have to meal prep my fruits. I'm so proud of myself. All right, so I've been in a taco mood. Why is my peanut butter here? Okay, round 2. So I have some ground chicken here, spinach, cheese, avocado, tomatoes, tortillas, and then I'm gonna use Greek yogurt as like the sour cream, because you know, eating healthy and stuff. Cheers! This is literally what I was craving. Today's challenge is to go to sleep 30 minutes earlier.
Fun! We love going to sleep early.
I am 100% a night owl. It takes a really long time for me to go to sleep. I have to literally be in bed like 40 minutes before I'm supposed to be asleep, because it's that bad, y'all. Usually I have to be in bed by like 11:40, be asleep by like 12:30. I'm gonna have to be in bed by 11:10-ish. Sleep is important. If you don't get anything else out of this video, get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep. No matter what, your sleep determines your mood, it determines your mental state, it determines everything. Water is done. We got number 2. Yo, I'm out of breath. We good, y'all. I have to drink 2 more bottles of water and I am finished with my gallon for today. Hallelujah. It's 12:15. I'm still awake. See y'all in a few hours.
herd.
To top it off with some avocado. This challenge, which I'm gonna do after I get off of work, we have to reflect on the month. So I'm gonna be looking at my strengths, my weaknesses, what I like to do this month, what I didn't like to do, my goals. Whenever you're doing a month reflection, it's supposed to be a time where you are looking at the things that you learned, your goals, what were your challenges, what were some habits or routines that you started or maybe you didn't start, what are some areas of improvement. And by asking yourself all of those questions and writing it down and reflecting, then you're able to then set up a plan for the next month. So then you don't repeat the same bad habits or behaviors. I believe that the whole point of being a human and being in this experience is to grow and to learn and be better. Is it gonna be uncomfortable? Is it gonna maybe be something that is dreading to do? It may be, yes, but in the long run, it's gonna feel much better. You're gonna see how much of an impact these little things that you do every day that add up to be a month create your lifestyle. Today's challenge is to schedule next month. And research shows that by scheduling the month ahead, you will feel a sense of control, structure, and you'll see an increase in both your productivity and your time management. Having a schedule in general just really reduces stress and improves efficiency by making decision making easier and eliminating uncertainty. I recommend doing this in a quiet space, free from distractions. I started off with my content planning and writing down what each day was focusing on, including my rest days. I then moved on to time blocking for next week, and I do need to finish the following weeks, but overall I felt very accomplished and productive by getting this done. Y'all, it is so freaking cold right now. I literally don't want to get up. All right, 5-second rule, here we go. Look what my mom got me. More water. Oh, I finally got up from bed and I'm here. I'll be doing 30 minutes of ab workouts here at home. And I have my handy dandy YouTube guided workout to help us stay motivated. I don't know about you guys, but for me, definitely this is a time where I usually have the least motivation because of the change in weather. It's getting colder and I just want to cuddle up and not do anything all day. And also the holidays are coming up, so of course it's another time to just really relax, spend time with family, and not be on like grind mode. But at the same time, there's a part of me that's like, okay, like we have 2 more months left in this year. I need to grind, I need to work hard, I need to be ready for the new year. Taking it day by day, and I hope that this week's video helps you guys also to feel more motivated and inspired to do a reset. Make myself a nice cold smoothie. Y'all, the time has come. This is the finale. This was the last week of my 30-day challenge and we freaking made it, you guys. If you were also following along or if you're doing the journey on your own time, it feels so good once you look back and you just feel so freaking accomplished. I was even scared, as I mentioned in my first video. I was literally debating doing this 30-day challenge just because it wasn't the first week of the month. Every single day, every challenge that we did, it was all focused on personal growth. I did things that I have been putting off for so long, like cleaning out my closet, going to a farmer's market. I didn't mention this yet, but I had a goal of losing 5 pounds while I was doing this 30-day challenge, and I lost those 5 pounds. And I also want to know if this is something that you guys want to see more of. If you want me to do more challenges, I would be down to do that, honestly, because I had a lot of fun with this one. And that's a wrap for this video, you guys. As always, I appreciate you guys so much, and stay blessed.
Oh my, what a one.